going on, guys? Welcome back to JECS Kicks. Today we have a special one for you guys. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. You guys already see it. The Undefeated 4 is here. The Jordan 4 Undefeateds. They re-released, they retroed them, and we got them, man. I'm shocked, and it's crazy because like I've been taking a different approach on how I go for shoes now. I used to just go for every shoe that I wanted all the time and everything. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take a step back. Now I'm going for shoes that I definitely want, and then that way, you know, I'm saving money and my shoe collection isn't overflowing this whole room. So I think it's been a smart decision for me to do. And because of that, it seems like I've been getting a lot more heat because of that. So I'll take it, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and also all my links to all my socials is in the description down below. Follow my main channel, Jecs Gaming, as well. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. And if you guys want to know the retail price and everything about the shoe, all that stuff will be in the description down below. So off rip, here's a look at the box. All gray box here. You got Undefeated 05 at the top, and then you got 25 right here. Wow, look at that. Isn't that crazy how just time flies? Size 14, and that's what I'm shocked about too. We got a size 14, my true to size, so I'm hyped about that. Other side is completely, you know, at blank. Here's the other side. And there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and lift it up for the first time. Ooh, nice. So we got the Undefeated wrapping paper here with the Jordan logo as well all over it. And here are the shoes. They're individually wrapped, which is amazing. Inside the box, you also get this Undefeated card here. Look at that. That looks sick. Really nice. All right, guys, so we're gonna unwrap it. Boy, oh boy, look at this here. Bam. Yo, this is fire. Look at the detail. We did it. We have the Jordan 4 Undefeateds, man. Oh my gosh. And I think they're gonna have another release on the sneakers app as well. And if they do, I'm definitely gonna be going for them. But as you guys can see, got the Nike Air on the back. Look at the shoe, man. Look at the bottom of the shoe here. Sheesh. Absolutely fire shoe, man. This shoe is absolutely amazing. Look at all the detail. You also get a hang tag here. Undefeated. Beautiful. Now, which ones do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer the OGs or the newer ones? Let me know in the comment section down below which ones you guys like the most. Man, wow, this shoe looks amazing. And obviously got the classic Velcro. Take it off like so, and it reveals the Jordan Rare Air. Look at that. Man, this shoes, the quality, everything is just amazing. Picture perfect. I can't even complain. Picture perfect quality, man. It's absolutely insane. Here's a look at everything again for the left shoe. And then here's the inside as well. Got the orange insole, Nike Air on the inside. Black laces, as you guys can see here. All right, guys, and here's a look at the right shoe here. Very beautiful. Obviously still got the Velcro strap. Here's what the inside of the tongue looks like. Undefeated on the inside. Nike Air on the back. Nike Air on the bottom with the black. I love the black outsole too. That way when you wear them, which I don't know when I'm gonna wear these. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm gonna wait for the second drop. If I can get a second pair of these, I'll instantly wear these on feet. If not, I might let these things sit a little bit before I wear them. But I definitely will get my wears in for this shoe for sure. But my goodness, look at this. Come on, man. Are you kidding me? This bro. Yo, this shoe is so fire. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, the quality in hand is insane. You guys be seeing my shoe unboxings and stuff. We've unboxed a lot of nice shoes on this channel, but the quality on here is insane. If you weren't able to get these things, definitely try to get a retail pair on the sneakers app or if you guys want to go ahead and spend the resale, I suggest if you're going to buy these things for resale, do it now while pairs are shipping out, because once the second drop releases and if it's limited, that's it. The price is going to skyrocket. So definitely, like, you know, plan ahead for that, make the best decision possible. So if you do plan on getting these for resale, do it now rather than the second drop, because if there's not a lot of pairs, man, that's gonna be a tough one. I'm not gonna lie, that's gonna be really tough. Eesh, like look at this, look at the quality, dude. The quality on these things are insane. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm not even trying to hype these things up. Like, you know me, I keep it consistent. The quality on here is really good, man. Oh my gosh. And then we get orange spare laces. I kind of miss the bags. Don't you guys miss the bags when shoes used to be like, you know, the shoelaces used to be in bags? I don't like this cardboard, you know what I'm saying? Because look at this, it gets all like messed up and stuff. But hey, you know, orange pair of shoelaces. I'll definitely probably, one of the shoes will probably have orange and the other one will have black probably. That's probably how I'll do it. Got the insole. That's oh, this insole says Undefeated as well. Size 14, as you guys can see. Very nice, man. Like, guys, I'm kind of speechless right now, man. The fact that I got a dub on this shoe is crazy, man. And actually, it seems like a lot of people got dubs, but at the same time, it seems like there's also some people that didn't get dubs. So yeah, man, hey, were you able to get yourselves a pair of the Undefeated 4s? Let me know. Like I said, I'm not gonna wear these things anytime soon, at least until I can see if I can get me a second pair of these. Like, these are a double up. Like, you gotta try and get 2 pairs of these inside. And also here's the Velcro strap. That's some really nice Velcro as well. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty stuck on there, so you probably don't want to keep taking this off, because over time it's just gonna, you know, dry out. So you probably don't want to do that too much, and you probably don't want to leave this Velcro off as well, because then it'll just dry up, I'm sure, over time. So I'm gonna just keep it like this, you know, for the time being. But overall, really nice pair of shoes. Here's the look at them both together. Here's a look at the Undefeated 4s. Oh man, crazy shoe, man. Do you guys think this is gonna be shoe of the year for 2025? Let me know what you guys think. Look at that. Wow. Very beautiful. Ships pretty fast too, like very fast, obviously. So I was obviously, like, you know, winners came out what, early last week, so got my pair in pretty quickly. So really awesome stuff. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'm super hyped that I got a pair. And make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more shoe unboxings and everything, clothes, all that stuff we cover here at JECS Kicks. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace. Can't believe I got him, man.